I'm Virginia McGathey here on the floor at the CME Group reporting on the livestock market. Today, cattle was mixed. That pre-holiday slowdown really had the market moving up, trading on both sides. The cash bids were a little bit slow to emerge today, and traders are really looking to post-holiday trade to really find any direction to move that market. The feeders were easier though, so that might give us a little bit of tell of which way some of these traders think it's going to go. The large supplies really limited prices from rallying at all. It seems that there has been better export sales, but those are already in the market. The futures slipped, and they kind of got to, they really started out actually lower, and then were able to come back some, but we were still like on the easier side. So that tells us that perhaps we're going to be bouncing around in this area. The market isn't falling off that much. We've had some pretty big ranges over the last couple of days, certainly with the NAFTA talks, and we're still holding steady to find out which way we're going to go from here. And speaking of holding steady, that's where the hogs are right now. They're really steady. The fundamental information has really stabilized that market. The NAFTA agreement is already kind of like a distant memory right now, because the market rallied and then it came back, and then now everything is just holding steady. Nothing has really taken effect yet, and so we're still watching that closely. There has been weak cash hog prices as well as weak wholesale prices, so you thought that maybe that might put a little pressure on the market, but we've been low for so long that it looks like that sellers don't want to come in there and press this market overall. And with all those weak cash prices, it's kind of like hovering over the market and keeping it from rallying at all. But there has been a little bit of tighter range. It just tells us that there's somewhat of a slowdown, and that maybe the volatility has come in somewhat. Now with the market being as thin as it is, and we are really getting electrified as we're waiting for more information to come out of the White House, it is vulnerable to more volatility. But today was a little bit quieter day. Everybody kind of like gathering themselves to see which way we're going to go from here. That's all from the floor at the CME Group here in Chicago. I'm Virginia McGathey.